In this video, I'll guide you through how to export contacts from HoneyBook. Whether you're looking to back up your client information or transfer it to another application, exporting your contacts is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start from your main dashboard in HoneyBook. This is your central hub where you can manage all your projects and client interactions. From here, navigate over to the side menu. This menu is packed with various options, but today our focus is on finding the contacts section. The contacts section is where all your client and partner details are stored. Simply click on contacts to enter this area. Once you're in the contacts section, you have a couple of choices depending on what you need. If your goal is to export every contact you have, you don't need to do anything further in terms of selection. The main list that you see will include all your contacts by default. This is especially handy if you're planning to do a comprehensive backup or move all your data to a new system. Now, to proceed with the export itself, focus your attention on the top right corner of your contacts list. You're looking for a small but mighty icon, often referred to as the triple dot icon or the ellipsis. This icon is your gateway to additional options. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the triple dot icon, you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, you need to select the option that says Download Spreadsheet. By choosing this, HoneyBook will begin the process of compiling your contact data into a convenient spreadsheet format. This format is excellent because it's versatile. You can open it in programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, making it easy to manipulate and analyze your data as needed. And there you have it. Your contacts are now exported and ready for whatever purpose you have in mind. A few additional tips before we wrap up. It's always a good idea to periodically back up your contacts. This ensures that you have the most recent information saved, just in case you need to access it outside of HoneyBook. Moreover, regularly exporting your contacts can help you keep your client information organized and up to date. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Exporting your contacts is a simple yet powerful way to manage your business relationships efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more HoneyBook tips and tricks.